my little honey blocks, and welcome back in to unbox the Build-A-Bear Advent Calendar. This is day 2. Now if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to see more girly, pink, light-hearted and Christmassy content, and welcome in to our sweet family of little honey blocks. I'm so excited to open these next 2 days. Of course, if you've not seen our part 1, make sure it's going to be in the description linked, but it'll be around somewhere on the page. Make sure to check that out first. And then let's just get into this. Let's just do the unboxing straight into the little hand cam. This is us. So we opened day 1, which was over on the big side. Then we opened day 2, where we got this little t-shirt for our bear and the little shorts for our bear. So now we're gonna open day 4. Let's do this. Open it we go. Ooh, what's this? Oh my goodness, is that a little Santa hat? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I did actually come prepared today, and I brought my mini scissors. As we know, everything is strapped into this calendar. Such a good idea. Alright, a little hat. A little hat. So cute. Oh, so sweet. Let's put the hat on. Oh, wait. Look, like yesterday, it's got little holes in the sides for his little ears. Okay, well, let me pop this on him. Oh my goodness, look at the little hat. Oh my goodness. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. That's actually so adorable. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what a cutie. I love the fluff. The fluff is lovely. Lovely red color. Matches his pajamas. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay. Day 5 then. And what's this? Is that a little stocking? Wait. That's unreal if that's true. That's a little stocking. So it's for our bear, our little bear friend. And we pop it in his hand. So it has this little elastic, and with the Build-A-Bears they do have little accessories that you can pop on their hands. For example, I got the Valentine's frog, and she came with a bouquet of roses. A bouquet of roses. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright. Trying to position this nicely is quite difficult. But let's move these scissors out of the way. That is him! Oh my goodness! Let's pop him just over here so you can see. That's with his little stocking! Oh my gosh! I think we are going to name him Fred. I'm not too sure, but if you've got suggestions for names for this little guy, pop them down below. Alright, so that's our 2 little doors for today. And of course we have one big door that we need to open. So let's flip this over. Okay, so it's number 6 that we're wanting to open. Try and get this like that so you can see it as it opens. Oh! Oh my goodness. Up it goes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay. Right. She's beautiful! Right, let's unenclose her from the box. Oh my goodness, look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my gosh, this reminds me so much of the Peter Rabbit tails and the little bunnies that are in the Peter Rabbit tails. Oh my goodness, so cute! Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. If there are more clothes on our little small doors, oh, I'm so excited. Let's put the calendar down. If there are more small doors and we can get to dress her up just like this little bear. Oh my goodness, that will be so cute. I love her little ears. She has the same things as everyone else. She has the little stamp on her foot and also the tags in the back, which I will cut off if she's got trousers or something. Oh my goodness, look at this Flopsy bunny. So cute! So that is day 2 of our advent calendar. Tomorrow we'll be opening 3 more days. And hopefully we'll be getting some clothes for little Miss Flopsy here. Yeah, this has been fantastic so far. I'm looking forward to showing you what's going on tomorrow. I can't wait. Okay, make sure to tune in tomorrow. And for now, thank you so much for coming, my little honeybots, and we'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.